Hi guys, welcome to the 7 minutes challenge. Delicious meals ready in 7 minutes or less. Please watch till the end for a chance to win some cool prizes. Without further ado, let's get to the video. So today we're going to make ham and cheese toastie. We got 2 slices of bread here. We got some cheddar, mature cheddar slices, and some cooked ham slices, and some low-fat butter, slightly salted. First of all, we're just going to apply spread butter on both sides. Just quite liberal with the butter. And turn it around. Butter the other side. Then we put a slice of ham. Slice of cheese. Maybe 1.5 slice. Now it's ready to put in the pan. So now we're going to add the toastie to the pan. And your toastie is ready to eat. So you're just gonna slice it diagonally because it tastes better that way. Try and take a bite. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe if you want to see more of these. If you have a recipe that you want to share, please let us know. We are giving away some cool prizes every month. In the meantime, take care and see you in the next one.